I know you need make a lot of money from Telegram bot. Maybe you lose chance to make money from dogs bot. But I have a bot that is better than dogs and has chance to make millions. This bot is for Kucoin, one of the largest crypto companies. First, open link from description and the bot will open smoothly. You can see the bot will give you coin based on all Telegram account. Now when you click it will not give you any coins because the bot is new and need to add some feature. And you can see you do not have way to generate coin except from invite friend. Do not forget to connect your wallet so you can withdraw your coin. I know you don't have a lot of friends, but I have solution for you. Now open your Facebook account and type referral exchange. In this group, you can place your invite code and get a lot of friends who want to exchange referrals.